My beautiful people, good evening. It's a beautiful evening at Tessie. I do welcome you at my YouTube channel. You subscribe, like, share, and comment if you are a newcomer. So today I'm at a birthday party. I've been invited at Mtwapa. So guys, I have many things to show off here. Yeah, so guys, welcome. Yeah, so my people, this is the time. The 1 year old baby is here. It's cake cutting time. And her mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 1. How old are you this now? This is 1. Number 1. We managed to make this one. Happy birthday to you. Jasmine. It's Jasmine. A 1 year old baby. Kata keki today. Kata keki. This is the team. Timu imechoka, timu imechoka. Wanaanza na wamechoka. Yaani ni kwanza mmeanza na mmeshoka. Sadisari hudumeni. Hey. Hey, Jason, hey. So we have the popcorns. Yeah, biscuits. We have the sweets. We have the cake. Baba? For us. Oh no. The visitors. Yeah. This is the table. Full table. Morina, asipo yesu. Mbona umeingia kimya kimya hivi? Osmanzala. Oh, he's a cute little boy.
Basi angalia huku ambao
Anjo mshweke mwanangu sisi watakuba tupele keki. Ba it's time for him to eat the cake.
Yes, mama. Mama.
Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, son. Wow. Can I dish you?
Mama get dirty.
Mama,
So you have to open your mouth now. Wait.
Nicheke gari ndio mzio.
Wait, you gonna? Hey.
Birthday mother.
Amasani.
Ako wife. Oh, it was my turn.
Pomori. Yanzo hanbeni ya. Upate chichi cha mchunga chichi. Ay, halafu.
On foot.
I'm dying.